Steve Gomez joined Democratic leaders today in a plea to save Obamacare and the life of his 18-month-old son, Anthony.
Through all of this, as you can see, he remains one of the happiest babies I've ever encountered. He loves his older brother, and is doing everything he can now as he's crawling to chase the dogs around, to chase his older brother around, chase us.
Anthony was diagnosed at birth with a rare heart condition known as TGA. Since then, he has gone through multiple surgeries, including a heart transplant and an amputation of his fingers and toes. Luckily, Gomez said, the enormous hospital expenses have been mostly paid by his employer-provided health coverage.
Our hospital stay alone, just the room, not including surgeries, doctors, procedures, was in excess of $2.5 million over the 10 weeks we were there.
Obamacare prohibits health insurance companies from denying coverage based on pre-existing conditions, like Anthony's. The Republican-backed replacement keeps that popular feature, but the Congressional Budget Office says it would leave 24 million people without health insurance by 2026.
The only winners in this CBO report are health insurance executives and the wealthiest Americans, people who make over $250,000 a year. They get a huge tax break.
Senate Minority Leader Chuck Schumer didn't hesitate to point out the resistance coming from both sides of the aisle, and one quirky detail.
No one wants to claim this bill. If it's so good, why aren't they rushing to have their names on it? Trump wants to call it Ryan Care. Ryan wants to call it Trump Care. It's classic Abbott and Costello. If it's so good, why don't they want their names on it?
In Washington, D.C., Ziyi Zeng, Cronkite News.